Hello everyone, welcome to Hangzhou Unreturn Instrument. This is our remote type electromagnetic flowmeter designed for measuring conductive liquids. It's widely used in water supply with water motoring and industrial chemical processing, available in the size of DN6 to DN600. With a separated sensor and transmitter design, it offers IPC8 protection rating, making it the ideal for underground, high temperature, and other harsh environments. It supports remote installation and enables easy flow monitoring.
Symmetrical electrode installation, electrode material polish, 4 electrode structure, 2 grounding electrodes. Multiple process connections available, including flange, tri-clamp, and insertion. Welded joint design, seamless, smooth, and fully sealed. Certificates, CIA certificate, CE certificate, etc.